Flawless, glowing skin is something we all desire, but achieving it often seems like a distant dream. What if I told you that the secret might lie in a simple, natural ingredient you can find right in your kitchen? Face packs have been used for centuries to nourish and rejuvenate the skin, and today I will tell you how these face packs have transformed the skin of my clients over time. Face packs are a popular skincare treatment designed to target specific skin concerns like hydration, dark spots, acne, or dullness. The origin of face packs dates back thousands of years, with early forms being used in ancient civilizations like Egypt, India, and Greece. It's believed that the ancient Egyptians were some of the first to use face masks, especially Queen Cleopatra, who was known for her love of milk and honey masks to maintain her youthful skin. Let's dive into 3 of the most effective face packs. First up is the Alum, Fitkari, Fuller's Earth, and Coconut Oil Face Pack. This one is my personal favorite. This face pack is a natural remedy that helps tighten the skin, reduce pigmentation, and improve overall texture. Here's how you can prepare and use this face pack effectively. For ingredients, take 1 teaspoon alum powder, 2 teaspoons Fuller's Earth, 1 teaspoon coconut oil, and rose water or plain water, enough to form a paste. Steps to prepare. If you have solid alum, crush it into a fine powder using a grinder. Now combine both of these mixtures together and add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to this mixture. Adjust the amount if your skin is very dry. Gradually add rose water or plain water to the mixture, while stirring to form a smooth paste. How to use. Wash your face thoroughly to remove dirt and oils. Using clean fingers or a brush, apply the pack evenly over your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Let the pack sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Gently wash off the mask with lukewarm water. Follow up with a lightweight moisturizer or aloe vera gel. Benefits. Alum tightens the skin, reduces pigmentation, and controls acne. Fuller's Earth absorbs oil, brightens the skin, and improves complexion. Coconut oil adds hydration and soothes dryness, balancing the drying effects of the mixtures. Let's move on to the second face pack, which is sandalwood, rosehip oil, and rosewater face pack. This is an excellent natural remedy for brightening the skin, fading dark spots, and giving a radiant glow. Here's how to prepare and use it. For ingredients, take 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder, 4 to 5 drops of rosehip oil and rose water, enough to form a paste. Here are the steps to prepare it. In a clean bowl, add 1 tablespoon of pure sandalwood powder. Pour 4 to 5 drops of rosehip oil into the bowl. Gradually add rose water while mixing the ingredients until you achieve a smooth, spreadable paste. The consistency should be thick but not too runny. Steps to use it. First, wash your face with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt. Using clean fingers or a brush, apply the pack evenly over your face and neck, avoiding the eye and lip areas. Allow the pack to sit for 15 to 20 minutes. It will dry slightly, but shouldn't feel overly tight. Wash it off gently with lukewarm water, massaging in circular motions for a mild exfoliation. Finally, follow up with a lightweight moisturizer or serum to lock in hydration. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Sandalwood powder brightens the skin, fades dark spots, and reduces redness or inflammation. Rosehip oil improves skin elasticity, lightens hyperpigmentation, and provides deep nourishment. Rose water tones the skin, balances pH, and leaves a refreshing feel. Moving on to our third face pack, which is a spirulina and matcha powder face pack. This face pack is rich in antioxidants and helps detoxify the skin, brighten the complexion, and reduce signs of aging. Here's how to make this nourishing face pack. Take 1 tablespoon of spirulina powder. Add 1 teaspoon of matcha powder to it. Use aloe vera gel or rose water, which is good enough to form a paste. Here are the steps to prepare it. In a clean bowl, mix 1 teaspoon each of spirulina powder and matcha powder. For the liquid base, gradually add aloe vera gel or rose water to the powders, mixing well to form a smooth paste. Adjust the quantity to achieve your desired consistency. And here's how to use it. First, wash your face with a gentle cleanser to remove impurities. Using clean fingers or a brush, evenly apply the paste over your face and neck, avoiding the eye and lip areas. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash off the mask with lukewarm water, gently massaging in circular motions for mild exfoliation. Finally, follow up with a moisturizer or serum to seal in hydration. Now let's talk about the benefits. Spirulina detoxifies the skin, reduces inflammation, and promotes a youthful glow. Matcha powder fights oxidative stress, soothes redness, and brightens the skin. Aloe vera or rose water calms the skin, reduces redness, and provides a refreshing effect. Additionally, steaming the face for 5 to 10 minutes before applying a face pack can help deliver the nutrients more effectively into the skin. However, make sure to do a patch test when trying a face pack for the first time, and avoid steaming if you have sensitive skin or any severe skin conditions. These remedies have worked wonders for my clients with consistent use. But remember, you also need to be clean internally. A clean diet, along with these face packs, will truly bring out the best in your skin. So do try any of these face packs and let me know about your skin experience. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next video.